So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can update your Mac to macOS 15.3. So recently, Apple started rolling out macOS 15.3 for all the supported Macs. And if your Mac supports it, then you can easily download and install this update. So let me show you how you can do this. First of all, click on this Apple icon and then click on System Settings. Now in the left pane, click on General and then click on Software Update. Now as you can see here, this shows the latest macOS 15.3 update. Now here you will get two options, Update Tonight and Update Now. If you want to install the update right now, then click on Update Now. Now click on Agree. After this, enter your Mac's password and then click on OK. Now this will start downloading the macOS 15.3 update. Now wait until the process is completed and then you can install it. So this is how you can get macOS 15.3 update on your Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.